there, welcome back. So we are officially into the holiday season now, and somewhere between the turkey and the football and the shopping, most of us take time to express gratitude, and most of us consider it a really nice tradition. But did you know that the intentional practice of gratitude actually changes the chemistry of your brain? Recent studies now prove that incorporating gratitude into your daily routine with intention has a significant impact on healthy cognitive function as well as physical and psychological health. And that's because when we practice gratitude, it actually increases activity in the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a pretty important part of the brain. It's about the size of a pea, and it sits right in the middle of the brain, but it maintains homeostasis, or it's our body's internal balancing system. It manages things like body temperature, hunger, thirst, metabolic activity, sleeping, sex drive. If you think about when any of those things are out of kilter, we feel stressed. So it also has something a lot to do with our stress management system. Intentional gratitude also stimulates the limbic system and triggers the release of dopamine. Remember, dopamine is that reward and pleasure chemical that says, oh, that feels really good, do that again. And when the brain is releasing dopamine, it's actually facilitating activity in the prefrontal cortex, which is our thinking brain. Expressing gratitude is a really nice thing to do for others, but gratitude also impacts our own level of happiness. In one study, subjects were asked to identify someone they really appreciated, and then they were encouraged to express that either in person or over the phone. And what they found is that by simply identifying and thinking about that person and what they appreciated about that person, that increased their own happiness by 2 to 4%. Which is nice, right? But those who personally expressed that gratitude, either in person or over the phone, they showed happiness gains between 4 and 19%. And the best part, the person who experienced the biggest jump in happiness was the person who scored the lowest on the baseline happiness test in the very beginning. So what does that mean? Well, on those days that are particularly tough, or you're stressed, or you're blue, or just sad, a sincere expression of gratitude will not only make someone else happier, but it's going to make you happier too. Research shows that incorporating a gratitude journal into your daily routine is one of the most effective ways to stay in the virtuous cycle and keep those good chemicals flowing in the brain. If you want to learn more about how to keep your brain in a good space and make gratitude an intentional daily habit, check out my full-color 28-day gratitude journal. A few minutes each morning and a few minutes each evening for 28 days will actually change the chemistry of your brain, and it may make all the difference in how you see the world. Happy Hour with Einstein and the full-color companion gratitude journal are available now on Amazon. And if you know someone in your corner of the world who might enjoy a little brain boost, pass this nugget along, because life is always better when you share the good stuff. And I would be grateful.